Hey everyone, Kineton Gaming here. Today I'm just going to give you a short guide on how to resize and manage your Windows tiles. So Windows tiles are basically these things here. Okay, now first of all, what I'm going to do is tell you how you can rename your categories. So if you see you've got Create, Play, Dell, Explore, and this is a Dell machine. Okay, so what we can do is we can rename Dell to, you just basically click where the word is. Okay, Dell to Dell machine. Okay, so that's it, simple as that. You just click on where the word is, rename, and hit enter. Okay, now to resize the tile, what you need to do is, we'll just pick this tile here for instance, right click within the tile and resize, and you can go small, you can go medium, but on some tiles you can actually go all the way to large. Okay, so that's how to do that. So if you right click on the tile again, you get more options. Now you can turn the live tile on and off if it has animation features or other features. You can unpin it from the taskbar, which is this area here. Yeah, that's it. So we want to pin that back to the taskbar. Okay, there it is. So if we right click on that again, you can run it as administrator for more options. You can go into app settings, you can share it on the network, okay, and more. Now you can even uninstall it. So if it's a game or an application, it gives you the opportunity to uninstall it right from the tiles. Okay, I mean, this was basically a new feature that was brought out with Windows 10. Okay, so there we go. Thanks a lot.